Good day, Ma'am. I'm Maricel Pahila, 39 years old, married. My husband is a tailor. We have 3 kids, 15 years old girl, 14 years old boy, and 12 years old boy. We live at Barangay San Matias, Dingli, Iloilo. I have one brother and 2 sisters, and I am the eldest. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. My work experience are manginasal as a service crew, then Libcap Company as an office staff, then 2022-2024 I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines to a couple with 1 kid, 2 years old girl. My duties are doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, gardening, and my priority is taking care of a baby girl. They were so nice to me. I work abroad for the future and education of my children and to save money to build our house and give the needs of my children. If you select me as a domestic helper here in the Hong Kong, I'll finish my contract and extend if needed. I am trustworthy, hardworking, honest person, and can work with less supervision. My hobbies are cooking, exercise, dancing, singing, and listening to the music. I love cooking and I want to learn more, and I'm willing to learn more how to cook in the Hong Kong. Good day, Mom. Thank you.